A week after a police operation in which 2 officers were killed, the head of the team is speaking. Superintendent Leon Clunis, who was shot and seriously injured in the incident, says the team was surprised by the shooter Damian Hamilton. Giovanni Dennis has the story.
It was a shooting that shocked the country just over a week ago. It happened in Horizon Park, Spanish Town, at this house, in this area. Damian Hamilton, a deportee, is reported to have shot and killed 2 police officers and seriously injured 2 others before fleeing. One of those officers is Superintendent Leon Clunis, who was head of the operation. Still in hospital, he broke his silence today. He spoke with Radio Jamaica's Emily Shields on the hotline.
I'm holding on. God has a purpose for me.
God has a purpose for you?
Mm-hmm.
You sound really strong, Superintendent.
I'm a strong man. I take care of my family.
Yes. Are you in any pain?
I'm not really. They're taking good care of me here.
Now, amidst rumors of a botched operation, Superintendent Clunis insisted sufficient officers were present.
We had enough persons there. The man just surprised us after we would have done a lot of work in the yard, and we're downstairs. And, Mills and Hickey would have died in the era where they were taking cover. So tell people to stop talking their stories. That's my family there. That's my family there.
In the meantime, Superintendent Clunis made a public request.
Continue to pray for the Hilton's family and the Biggs family, because I have missed out a lot where they are concerned and stuff.
The man who police say was the shooter, Damian Hamilton, was killed in an operation in Corville Garden, St. Andrew, 12 hours later the same day, June 12. Corporal Dane Biggs and Constable Decarda Hilton were killed, and Superintendent Clunis and another officer injured in the early morning operation. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.